Today I'm going to be sharing spring salad number 3 in this video. It's going to be deviled egg pasta salad. So I'm boiling 6 eggs and 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. That's the first thing I put on. I've also got some 1.5 cups of mayo, 2.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika, and some red onion. And I'm going to show you how we put all this together. It's not going to take long at all, and it's going to be delicious. I will have the ingredients with the measurements on the screen as well as in the description box. With this spring salad, we're going to have some fresh white half runners with new potatoes in the Instapot. I've got a bowl of cucumbers and onions cut up and a pound of crispy cornbread to go with it. This is going to be delicious. You're also going to need 1 stalk of celery chopped thin, sliced, and 1 green onion sliced thin for garnish. We're also going to have some fresh peaches and cream corn on the cob with it. The macaroni's done and the eggs are done. We're going to rinse those, and I'll show you what we're going to do next to put this together. Okay, my granddaughter's going to help me today. She does her own little YouTube channels with unboxings and things. She's going to pour our macaroni into our bowl. Go ahead and pour it into that bowl there, Sissy. Just a minute, Aubrey. Go ahead. Can you get it? Good job. Thank you. Very good. Okay, my little granddaughters, they like to help me in the kitchen, so I'm going to let my 5-year-old, she just turned 5, she's going to add her celery. Go ahead, Aubrey. You pour it in this bowl, okay? Show them the celery. There you go.
How much?
All of it.
I'll fit.
Say 1 stick of celery.
1 stick of celery.
Say a half a red onion.
A half a red onion.
Or about a half a cup. You're going to take your egg yolks out of the whites and you're going to crush them with a fork or a food chopper or however you want to do it. So my granddaughter's going to help me do that. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Okay, Amelia, when you're done with that, you can go ahead and we're going to add salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Go ahead and add that, Amelia. That's good. Salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Just pour it in there. Now, scrape this out. It's 2.5 tablespoons of mustard.
Scrape it out.
I'll get you some. Say 2.5 tablespoons of mustard.
This is 2.5 tablespoons of mustard.
Yellow mustard.
Yeah, 2.5 tablespoons. Mustard is what
That's
you have
good.
to put.
That's good. And then 1.5 cups of mayo. Just give that to Grammy now.
Oh, the mustard! I'll lick it.
1.5 cups of mayo.
Does that mean put half of the cup or the whole cup?
The whole thing.
Half of a cup
All
of
of it,
mayonnaise.
Sissy. Yeah, the next part we're going to do is take our egg whites and chop them up and add them to the pasta. And I'm going to let you pour them in, Aubrey, okay? Just a minute. Minnie, when you get done with that, stir it up.
Okay. With this spoon?
Thank you.
Yeah.
They really like to help Grammy in the kitchen, guys, okay? And I'm not going to tell them no.
Yeah, it's really fun too. Cooking is pretty fun.
Yeah. And we have a lot of memories of cooking together in the kitchen, don't we, girls?
Yeah.
Grammy lets them cook in the kitchen all the time.
Yeah, so we're on a lot of our YouTube videos.
Yeah.
So if you see like us on the screen,
That's who they
like
are.
if you see like 2 little kids on the screen helping her cook, then that's us helping her
That's
cook.
right. You want to pour some in? Leave some for Aubrey to pour in, okay? Aubrey, do you want to pour some eggs in? Get in here.
Aubrey, I saved some for you.
Okay, Aubrey, pour them in there. Pour them in the bowl. That's good. Pour them in the bowl. It was too heavy anyway. You couldn't do it all. Pour them in the bowl.
I'll do it.
Pour them in the bowl, Aubrey. She wants to. Come on. Pour them in the bowl with your hand. There you go.
That's so nice of Cece.
That was very nice of Cece. Thank you, Cece. Here you go. Here you go. Now, we're going to take our dressing that my granddaughter made. Look how good she mixed it up.
I tried to mix it really good.
It looks great. You done an excellent job.
I didn't want
And me and her was talking. She loves pasta salad and deviled eggs, and so do I. It's going to be good, ain't it, Sissy?
Yeah, so because this is pasta
I think I need a bigger spoon. This thing is
pasta
a
salad
really
stuff.
big bowl of pasta.
Oh. It's mostly because like all of the ingredients she
It
added
does,
there,
don't it?
it's,
It
like,
looks amazing, don't it?
Yeah.
And I love pasta salad, and I love deviled eggs, so I think this is going to be really, really good. Do you want to do a taste test for me, Amelia?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
We usually do a taste test.
And then you'll do a taste test, because I want to too.
Okay.
Okay, wait just a minute.
Oh.
We're going to sprinkle the top with a little garnish of green onion.
What can I do?
Okay. Let me get you a spoon, Amelia. Okay, she's going to do a taste test. Here, let me turn around and film you. She's going to do a taste test. Does it taste like deviled eggs or pasta salad or both? Jet stove.
It tastes like goodness is what it tastes like. I like it.
She's a good critic too, because she likes good food.
Oh,
Aubrey,
yeah,
do
this
you
is
want to
really
try
good.
it?
Don't
let's
mind
see
me.
some
I'm
more.
taking one more bite.
Okay, she's going to take one more bite too. Guys, I had to get on here. I look hideous because I've been working today and I've babysat today. This is deviled egg pasta salad. I love deviled eggs. I love pasta salad. I'm thinking, ain't that just going to taste like macaroni salad? It's almost the same ingredients. No, it literally tastes like a deviled egg and pasta salad. It's delicious. Love it. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll decide to hit that subscribe button and hang out with me. Have a blessed day. Bye.